video is a walkthrough in how to navigate within the Dayforce application. This course will show us how to navigate using the menu buttons, intelligent search, and the application center, how user roles influence access, and the difference between the Experience Hub and the Advanced Experience Hub. So Dayforce is a user-friendly application with intuitive navigation. In this lesson, we'll learn the basics of accessing features, HR records, and messages. For our company, we will be using single sign-on to access Dayforce. This short walkthrough will show us how to navigate within the application. So after you sign into Dayforce, you will land on a feature that your organization has assigned. In this example, this is the Experience Hub is the landing page. The Hub is a customizable platform that our company can use and share information with our employees. This is the default Hub, and it is shipped from Dayforce, and ours will be modified within the information it is displayed for us. Along the top of the page is a header that always displays no matter what feature you are using. On the left is the menu button, which you can access Dayforce features. This menu lists all of the features that the logged on user can access. So you may not see every item in this list based on the role that was assigned to you. Access is controlled again by the role feature. So to reiterate, if you're not seeing all of these options, you just might not have the proper roles assigned to you, and that is specific based on your job. A role is defined set of permissions that you assign to a user. These have all been pre-selected and set up. So everyone has been assigned one role, but also can have multiple. For an example, the features you would assign to a user with a manager role would not be the same as those you would assign to the employee role. So what features a manager sees in the menu will differ from what an employee sees, which will also differ from what our payroll team sees and what HR sees. When the roles were configured, features were configured for the roles, it was decided what other items were to display with more commonly used features at the top. Menu items within the yellow boxes are headers you can expand to view the sub-features. So these are the roles that were set. This is how the roles were set up based on the backend configuration from initial setup. This screen just walks us through what our team did on the backside to configure these roles. So this Dayforce icon will take you back to the main, or you can go here in the intelligent search bar and you can search to find features. You can also type in roles in the field, and Dayforce will list out any of the features, including the words and links on how to access them. So if you're looking for benefits, time off, you can use the search there. This area over here is called the application container, and like the menu, it is customizable by the role. The first is the People button, which displays a screen for finding employees. This will be searchable from managers and HR and payroll. There is a separate demo for this feature, but in short, you can use the filters at the top to limit the search results at the bottom, and then click an employee name to view their record. This is the message button. The inbox, which resembles a traditional email box, shows all the messages a user has received. On the left are the messages are categorized. When you click to open it, it will open up the message for you. If you need to compose, you can click the compose. Messages are typically system generated, such as a notification that a report you generated is ready to view, or that you need to review and improve a form submitted by an employee. On the far right of the header is the profile button, which displays every user no matter their role. So in this case, it's an HR admin, so they would have access to everything. Again, anything that you're not seeing from this video, from this course, you just might not have the role assigned to you. But you can go ahead and if the role, the user, has multiple roles assigned, each will be displayed here. You can select another role and switch over automatically. You can also view some details about the Dayforce version that you are using, or you can log out. This is the basic idea of how to navigate within the Dayforce application. So now you have a basic understanding of how to navigate, click through, and view the different modules within Dayforce. This next lesson identifies the difference between what is the Dayforce Experience Hub and what is the Advanced Dayforce Experience Hub. So this is what the Dayforce Experience Hub will look like. The Dayforce Experience Hub is the foundation of the new user experience within Dayforce. It starts with a reimagined homepage available on both the web and mobile devices that is branded by our organization. Our organization can share timely news updates, information, while widgets and links for links to users, earnings, and entitlement balance data, company documents, and self-service tasks, increasing productivity and employee engagement. The benefits of the Experience Hub. The Dayforce Experience Hub is a reimagined homepage for Dayforce that serves as a portal for admin staff to connect with employees. The Dayforce Experience Hub reflects a customer's brand by allowing them to choose images, colors, and icons. The customer can also use their own tone and voice in internal communications. Administrators can create centralized hubs tailored for various audiences, incorporating localized widgets that not only showcase their material, but also discover information relevant to them. And all features in the Dayforce Experience Hub are governed by role feature authorization. As such, only users with that role have access to those particular features or information while viewing those privileges. This is just a quick demo of touring the Experience Hub. This is an example for the company. The hub is designed using widgets, which enable you to create visually appealing pages and useful, relevant information for employees. You can choose the widgets that displayed and how they're arranged. Again, these widgets are preset from our team. These are just an example. For example, this is a time clock widget, which enables users to submit clock entries and navigate to their time clock. If needed, the user could click the Start Shift button to begin recording their time. If you go to the More Actions option, you can navigate the work time clock. To navigate back to the hub, click the menu button and select Hub. The Employee Balance widget displays all visible remaining balances that employees have accrued, such as vacation or sick time. By clicking the balance summaries, you can view more information. The more details explained are displayed for including expiring transactions. The featured links widget displays links to one or more Dayforce features, forms, guided processes, files, or external links with associated images and descriptions. Because we are logged in as a manager who have direct reports, the My Team widget displays. You can add a widget to a hub, but the user role, feature, and authorizations as well as managerial assignments will control whether the widget displays for a user. The links at the top list the user's direct reports below, along with a link to see the rest. To view your hierarchy, the organizational chart displays the viewing options at the top. To close the window, hit the X. Next, if you click the actions, several forms related to new employees will display, onboarding and rehire. The new hire form displays enabling for you to begin hiring someone. This form can be used by HR only, so based on, again, your role that was assigned, you may or may not see this feature. If an employee has pending requests, they will be highlighted in yellow with a brief summary of the request will display. You can click an employee to view their profile card in a pop-up window. You can browse through the profile card, view the full profile, and view the organizational chart as it relates to the employee. Pending actions widget will display items awaiting this user's attention. The favorites widget will display the 6 features that the user has assigned to their role. Quick links present links to the same types of resources as featured links, but they may not include any description or image. A hub can show all or any subsets of these widgets, and you can create multiple hubs with different designs amid various roles within our organization. What is the Advanced Experience Hub? Well, the Advanced Experience Hub offers more customization options and increased media storage as compared to the Dayforce Experience Hub. The Advanced Experience Hub is an add-on with the same core functionality and features plus more. The Dayforce Experience Hub gives us a single landing page with an appearance and greeting, one audience set per hub, and 2 GB of storage. And the Advanced Experience Hub allows us to navigate to access subpages, the option of multiple subpages that can be categorized by role or group, and 10 GB media storage. And that concludes this course.